Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to enable Discord Developer Mode on a PC or laptop. So to do this, it's actually really simple, and you can do this on either the Discord app or the web-based version. It's all down to personal preference, but the steps are exactly the same. So the first thing we're going to want to do is open up Discord. And if you're not already, you just want to go ahead and log into your account. And once you're logged in, it's actually, as I say, very simple. All you want to do is come down to the settings icon, which is this gear icon next to your profile tag. And then if you look at the menu on the left hand side, all you want to do is just scroll down until you get to advanced, which is under the app settings section. You can see there advanced, just give that a click. And you'll see it says developer mode. So developer mode enables you to do things like writing bots, using the Discord API. There's other things you can do as well. All you want to do is come across to the toggle button here, give that a click, and that's going to turn it on. So there's no save button, this is just going to be applied automatically. And then you can just press the cross to come back to Discord, and developer mode will now be enabled. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.